We can perform this because we were dealing with factors here. We were multiplying between these two numbers. So we removed a common factor of x plus y. And notice we still have multiplication here. Again, if I think about distributing this a to x plus y, I would get this first term. And if I distribute this positive 2 to this x plus y, I would get my second term. This factoring is the opposite or the inverse of the distributive property. So you try one out. What would be the factored form for this expression? Write your answer here. Be sure you use parentheses, and there's no need to put a multiplication sign in between them.